Alright, welcome to Oak Hill Plantation. Got a new property coming on the market here. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-story Miranda home. I'll go in and take a look around. Of course, Miranda likes to use these archways, which gives it a little decorative touch. Got a little covered patio here. And we'll go into the front door. And it's got a staircase, and those stairs go up, and we'll take a look at those in a minute. And you enter into this big living room, family room area. Carpet's in pretty good condition. Got tile in the traffic areas. And we'll come down through here. And that's the laundry area. There's room for a washer and dryer. And there's a huge pantry here. Lots of shelf space. And the kitchen is oak cabinets. Some sort of quartz or granite countertops. It's going to need some appliances. It's got a dishwasher, not sure if it works. Center island sink, along with the main sink there. And there's no home behind you yet, but I'm sure there will be soon. Nice little, actually it's a really large screened room out back there. And then you got this huge living room here. And we're going to go back down this other hallway. And you got a half bath here. And back into the living room area. And out here's the garage, water heaters here. 2-car garage with an opener. Irrigation system, side entry door there. And under the staircase closet. And now we'll go see where those stairs go. So as you go up here, got a nice banister railing. And to the left, you've got this big loft area. Good office, playroom, whatever you want to use it for. Definitely very open. Over here's the master bedroom, which is a very good size, very large room. Sort of tray ceilings there, and a linen closet, and it's got 2 closets here in the master, both walk-ins, good size, and a garden tub, not jetted, just a tub, and then the master bath here, double sinks, medicine cabinet, and then the commode and the shower are here. And let's go back down the hallway. And the other 3 bedrooms are over this way. You got a full bath here. And you come in here, and this room is very gender non-specific, being in neon pink and blue, with 2 closets and its own bath. And there's 2 air conditioning units, so that's each of the air handlers. And we got this bedroom here. Decent size. In case you were wondering, this is the boom boom room. And then in here is the last bedroom up here. And these of course get a view of the backyard and the roof on the screened patio. So that's it on this one. This will be on the market today. You can call Kiefer Realty 352-861-6000 and we'll get you the info on it. And hey, look, those stairs go back down. Catch you on the next one.